Alright guys, welcome back to another Saturday episode of Restoration Rescue. If you're new here, please consider smashing that subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, we appreciate you guys coming back. So as you know, we've taken a couple weeks off of welding, but we're going to get back in the swing of things and hopefully remember how to do it. Alright guys, so last week we were here at the gas tank. It took us a lot longer than we expected with this beautiful Boyd's welding gas tank. But what we're looking into is where we're going to run our fill tube. We haven't really thought too much about it. We're hoping to get some cool ideas from you guys, so drop them in the comments below about where you think we should run this. But it took a lot longer because we had a lot of issues with the directions, but it is in. But now we're going to hop over back to the cab. We're going to weld on it, we're going to put our rockers in, and hopefully some more parts. Alright, I gotta say, this thing ain't going nowhere. So this is in, we have a little spot, so we have to come back and hit again with the welders. We got some holes, but we've grinded it down pretty much all the way. We did struggle a little bit. We did change it up. We're getting better on this side, obviously. This went in a lot easier than the other side. We had to drill out these holes instead of grinding away half the metal. Just open these up to line it up a little bit better. As you can see that this line is pretty good right here, and then this right here is pretty spot on. It is a little tough getting it exactly where it was, as each truck is different. Each panel that we get is a little bit different, cut a little bit different, stamped a little bit different. But what we did today mainly is when we lined it up, we came in, we obviously cut our metal back, and then we just tacked it in, laid some beads, came back and grinded it. We lit the light underneath, did that, and came back. But we just made sure it was all lined up where it needed to go, and pretty much where it is the exact spot. We just need to come back in, put some new floor in the front. That part is going to be good to go, and then next week what we're going to do is we're going to start building it out and getting it to look exactly like that side. So stick around, see you guys next Saturday, and have a good one.